Welcome to How Much YouTube channel. My name is Idan and today we're going to review the Zyber 8. It's the newest, most powerful small home Bitcoin mining ever. It has 8 most advanced mining chips in there and it has 6.4 terahashes of mining power. It comes in this nice clear plastic on top of it, and the bottom has a fan and the side has a fan. It's hefty. This is a very nice unit. It's not so big, but they packed a lot in here. I do like the big color screen and the new type of power plug, okay? So those are much higher quality. So we're gonna set one up today, see what kind of hash rate we can get. If you wanna grab one, go to bitcoinmerch.com or link below. All right, so let's get it started. So the next step now is to go to your Wi-Fi, find it and set it up. So we're gonna do that next. So once you turn it on, you go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi Zyber and you wait. The settings page will show up on its own. I'm gonna change the SSID to the one I have in my house. You're gonna do the same. So I click on the search button and it's gonna look through all the Wi-Fi in this area. Here is mine. I'm gonna go ahead and put the password in and I'm gonna go ahead and click restart. Now we're gonna wait and the IP address will show on the screen once it's done, and we'll be able to go in there and change the Bitcoin address to ours, because by default it's someone else. I do like that it has some different type of, not animation, but I'll call it pictures that you can see on the screen. And the screen is very nice and clean when it comes to data. So you only see what you need. You can see the temperature, you can see the fan speed. There's a little bit of power noise from the fan, but don't forget that this is a much more powerful unit and the heatsink is quite big. So it's kind of like expected to have something like that. But I wish the fan was a little less loud, but that's okay. You can put it somewhere, that's fine. You can see the hash rate going up already. So it's pretty quick. You can see also that it consumes about 100 watts, which is actually not that bad. Yeah, we're at 100 watts right now. Might go up a little bit more. But I like how quickly this thing starts and how easy it is to set up, honestly. It's really, really cool. We just have to change that Bitcoin address. And we're going to do that by going to our web browser on the same network, type 192.168.0.149. So yeah, let's let that hash go all the way up and go and change the Bitcoin address real quick. Alright guys, so I just typed 192.168.0.149. That's what I see on the screen. If you don't get that, you're gonna have to keep logging into that Wi-Fi from the miner and put your Wi-Fi information again and again until you get it right. If not, you're not gonna be able to log into it. Once you're done, you're not gonna see the Wi-Fi of the miner anymore. So anyways, we did that and I changed the host name here for the Stratum and the port to public pool, and I put my own Bitcoin address in there and also put .bitcoinmerch so people know it's us if we win a block. I click save and restart. Now we're gonna wait a little bit until we see some hash rate. It does take some time to see the hash rate, so you have to be a little bit patient. So let's wait for this to show up. Alright guys, we are mining 6.4 terahash. That was pretty easy. I can go to public pool and see my hash rate right here. It might take some time, a couple hours to show up here, but you get the point. The hash rate here will show up in your public pool. You win a block. Hey, you get 3 Bitcoins, that's awesome. If you want to grab a Zyber, you can find it on bitcoinmerch.com. It's called the Zyber 8S. We're shipping it from the US anywhere in the world. It comes with a power supply, customer support, warranty, all of that stuff is included when you buy from us. So yeah, if you want to grab one, there's a link below. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this latest Bitcoin miner for your house. And hey, what would you do if you win a block? Would you donate it all to charity, give it to a family member, buy a Lamborghini? Hey, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know. So I'll talk to you guys soon. See you guys in the next video. Peace.